Welcome to Mahabal Enviro Engineers Private Limited, your trusted partner in environmental solutions. Today, we are diving into one of the strongest industries in India's literally. We are talking about the steel industry where iron becomes stronger, cities grow taller, and development gets its backbone. Imagine the buildings you see, bridges you cross, the cars on the road, all of them have something in common. Steel is made mostly from iron and carbon, and it's super strong and flexible like a superhero metal. India is the second largest producer of crude steel globally, with 125.32 million tons produced in financial year 23. It plays a vital role in construction, defense, transport, infrastructure, and even renewables. In every steel plant, we monitor these key parameters carefully: air pollution, PM10, PM2.5, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, emissions from blast furnaces, sinter plants. Water is used for cooling and washing, and the effluents are monitored for pH, biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, total suspended solids, and heavy metals like chromium, zinc, and lead. Noise pollution from blowers, casting units, crushers. Solid and hazardous waste. Slag, flue dust, sludge from ETP. Energy consumption. Efficiency in coal, gas, electricity. Regulatory framework. Environmental Protection Act, 1986. Air Act, 1981. Water Act, 1974. Hazardous Waste Rules, 2016. EIA Notification, 2006. SPCB's consent to establish and operate. Overview of key environmental and quality standards. CPCB air emission limits are set between 50 to 150 mg per nm3, ensuring industries control particulate matter and gaseous pollutants effectively. Wastewater discharge must comply with the general standards notified under the Environment Protection Act (EPA) to minimize water pollution. As per Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) guidelines for steel quality. IS 2062 refers to structural steel, commonly used in construction frameworks. IS 1786 covers TMT bars, known for their strength and durability in reinforced concrete. IS 513 specifies quality norms for cold roll sheets, widely used in automobile and appliance manufacturing. What's new in India's steel industry? Green steel, hydrogen-based steel is gaining traction. PLI scheme government. Boosting domestic production. ZLD, zero liquid discharge, is now being mandated in several states. Carbon border adjustment by EU pushing Indian plants to cut emissions. Steel accounts for 12% of industrial emissions in India, a major target for net zero by 2070. The future is compliance, clean tech, and circular economy. And don't forget, steel is 100% recyclable forever. Our last video on the cement industry is already on our YouTube channel, don't miss it. Stay tuned, because coming up next, we'll be covering the automobile industry, thermal power plants, and textile industries, all from an environmental perspective. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates.